Coulson-Moffett model or concept of maximum overlap of carbon orbitals, band bond or banana bond theory. A band bond, also known as banana bond, is a type of covalent chemical bond with geometry somewhat indicative of a banana. The term itself is a general representation of electron density or configuration resembling a similar band structure, as you can see in pictures, with a small ring molecule such as cyclopropane, C3H6, or as a representation of double or triple bond within a compound that is an alternative to the sigma bonds and pi bond models. Type of overlap. There are two types of overlapping, as you can see in the picture, in which in first picture sigma bond will be formed and it is good overlapping, and sigma bond is a strong bond. In second picture, band bond will be formed. This is poor overlapping and band bond is weak bond. Then next four pictures are uh, are formed by band bonds. First picture is banana bond and second two atomic orbital overlap in cyclopropanes. It explains the relative stabilities of cycloalkenes in terms of MO. MO stands for molecular orbitals. Theory as follows. We know that a covalent bond between two atoms is formed by overlap of orbitals of atoms involved. The greater the extent of overlap, the stronger the bond will be formed. The atomic orbitals overlap to the maximum extent if they overlap along their axis, as the axes of sp3 orbitals are at angle of 109 degree 28 to each other. The carbon-carbon bond will have their maximum strength if the carbon-carbon-carbon bond have a value of 109.5 degree. Cyclopropanes has carbon-carbon-carbon bond angle is of 60 degree. Cyclobutane has carbon-carbon-carbon bond angle values of 90 degree. The higher cycloalkenes and alkenes have carbon-carbon-carbon bond of 109 degrees. As shown in the above pictures, the small bond angle of cyclopropane indicates that the overlap of sp3 orbital of carbon is less than the overlap of sp3 orbitals of carbon in alkenes, example propane. The bond angle of cyclopropanes are less than the bond angle of cyclobutane, which in turns are less than the bond angle of higher cycloalkenes of and alkenes. Therefore, the overlap of orbitals in cyclopropane is less than in cyclobutane, which in turn in less than that in higher cycloalkenes or simple alkenes. The overlap of sp3 orbitals of carbon in cyclopentane, higher cycloalkenes or simple alkene is maximum. Because of these cases, it is possible for sp3 orbital along their axis, the bond angle being approximately equal to 109. This implies that the carbon-carbon bond in cyclopropanes are weaker than the carbon-carbon bond of cyclobutane, which in turn are weaker than carbon-carbon bond in higher cycloalkenes and simple alkenes. Cyclopropene undergoes ring opening reactions very readily. On the other hand, cyclobutane rings only under drastic conditions undergo ring opening reactions. Cyclopentane and higher members do not undergo ring opening reactions and they behave very much like the alkenes. The carbon-carbon bond in cyclopropane, the picture which is shown on the page, are weaker than the carbon-carbon bond in propane. They are called banana bonds or band bond. In this structure, in this picture, the bond between carbon-carbon is band bond or banana bond.